Good morning all. Welcome back to this video. To continue with this previous video, right? This is the workflow for an author. It's based on the call for papers, right? So this is the website I've referred in the previous video. The data in this website will be mailed to a certain researcher based on their domain. In order to do that as an automated system, I'm using this N8N workflow, right? I'm using a single agent. In this previous video, we have discussed till this data extraction from this website. I've got the data from this HTTP request using Gina AI. Then the code has been used. This code node block has been used to extract the data as the required. Then that data has been fed in this Google Sheet. And the second Excel sheet what I've used here is the researcher database, right, as I shown in previous video. Now what I'm going to do is, here you can see in this Google Sheet the outcome. We have row number, name, collection. In order to match here, instead of domain I have given collection, because in this journal they are given it as collection not as domain, so that in order to match it I've named here as collection. And we have researchers email also. Now what we're going to do is, it's like based on this column, this sheet 1 and on this sheet 2, you can see we have you can see it is running. We'll get this collection, right? So this collection term will be common for in these two Excel sheets. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use a merge node. The purpose of this merge node is to have given given the sheet 1 and 2 as an input to this merge node. The purpose of this merge node is to match the column which is in unique, and that will be fed as a single input to the another new spreadsheet. So to do that I have giving this option as combine, right, and the matching field as an combined by, and fields to match have given collection is to be matched, right. See, this is the output. So based on the collection, here it has been listed, right? So the collection, the email ID, everything has been noted here. So now what I'm gonna do is, this merge can be going to be not gonna work as like the output will be stored in this Google Sheet. Thus Google Sheet data will be given as input to the AI agent, right? Now the purpose of this sheet is to fetch the details, right? You can see here it has been fetched all this detail from this merge, and output has been stored in the Google Sheet. The purpose of this AI agent is to mail the certain the data to the certain domain based researcher, right? Now I'll execute this node also. This node will keep on running based on with the Gemini chat model. uh, Gemini chat model, it will extract the data of the Excel sheet and the JavaScript code, JSON file I have given as an input. Based on that, it will create a drafted mail copy in order to match the researcher database as well as the data from the journal collection. I've used a code. The purpose of this code is to extract the structured data for which is will be convenient for an AI agent to mail the user as a user-friendly document. So this AI agent has been built accordingly, and they've been trained to create a mail content which is simple and in a structured data, right? That would be given as an input to this code node. I mean, the output of this AI is given as an input to the code, and now the code has been run and it has given some simple output, right? You can see here it has tabulated the data. Fine, it's going to mail. You hope you can see here based on the subject domain, it has been mapped to all the persons. Fine. Now this same data going to be mailed to all based on the domain mapping. When I click is the execute step, what it's gonna do is it's gonna mail to the certain people. Sorry, here I Okay, I will select this mail IDs alone. Sorry. See, we have mail ID, right? It will be feeded here. Or else, for example, I'll just mail one person here as Gajendran, right? Or else I just show you output which I've run earlier. I have a separate folder for it. I'll just show you. See, this was the output we have gotten earlier. Just a minute. Sorry, it's continuing with this video. Here you can see this is the mail notification we have received. Based on the domain, the AI agent has been matched and it has been mailed to the user. Dr. Shivaram have received the mail as stating that microgrid and distributed energy system has been opened with this journal link and the deadline. Hope you can see the same here in the database, right? See, it has been given here, Shivaram within microgrid, right? Here, due to some small error, I was able to not run meanwhile, so that I'm just showing the output what I've got 2 days ago. Right. So thank you. If you have any queries, you just post it in the chat box. Thank you.